Hello everybody, today I have a Balm Diggy Bath & Beauty unboxing. I am super excited for this. I have not ordered any stuff from her for a minute. She just had a launch. It was a Valentine's kind of the Romeo and Juliet from the 90s theme, and I love that movie, so I had to order it. Sorry about that. So, you know, from Jamie, who is awesome and also a Tennessee native, or lives in Tennessee, get jiggy with Balm Diggity. Balm Diggy, sorry. Blech. I love the way she packages stuff. We'll just put the invoice aside. Let's see. I love the way it looks kind of like Harley Quinn. I love the way she packages things. Ooh. Okay, looks like we've got some candy. We've got some Airheads and some Fun Dip. Okay, so let's go ahead without further ado. Pull out the first thing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, this is so great. So this is a pack that I ordered. It is called the Kick Rocks gift set. And I had to get it because it looks like a cassette tape and it is epic. I had to have it. So I don't know where she found this packaging, but it is amazing. And the smells coming from this, I smell soda. It smells like soda. I don't know what the scents are. I got this up here. Kick Rocks Bath Bomb gift set. I don't even know what the scents were. I just had to get it when I saw it. And this is pretty heavy. So how do you open this? This box is so great. It's so cute. So just cutting this open. So there we go. Look at this. It's a cassette tape. And it's nice and thick. So this one is called Hold Up Bath Bomb. Oh, it smells really sweet. Look at that. It looks like a cassette tape. It's awesome. Of course, it's quite thicker than a cassette tape. So we've got one. And then we've got two. A red one. And of course, we've got the BD for Balm Diggy right there. And this is called Roses. But it still smells like soda to me. But, oh, it's purple. Oh my gosh. It's purple and gold. This is called the Fuck You Bath Bomb. Oh, I love her names. This one is the one that smells so good. Oh, that's great. Oh, and then, of course, we've got a slap bracelet. You know, the 90s nostalgia. Woo! So I got my slap bracelet on. And I'll just put on a wrist full of jelly bracelets. If you hear Mojo, my cat, in the background, sorry about that. He's a little under the weather with the allergies. Bless his little heart. But yep. Oh, and then we have... Alright, we got a Balm Diggy pin, which is pretty cool. Yes, I'm putting them on because why wouldn't I? I've got my hot pink fishnet gloves with my Balm Diggy logo. I always feel like a kid opening up her boxes. It's so much fun. Alright, ooh, got a sample right there. It's the bomb, but oh, look at the glitter on that, y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't know what scent, I don't know what the scent is like on the bomb, so. Let's see. That's a pretty scent. I smell lavender. That's so glittery. I don't know if it's actually got lavender in it, but okay, let's see what else I got. Oh, look at this. This is the Mrs. Mia Wallace Bath Bomb. Of course, this is from, oh, look at that. Pulp Fiction. It's like oil and glitter. I guess I need to shake that up. So it's just like a glitter shot. That's cool. And it's heart. It's a anatomically correct heart. That is really cool. I can't quite smell it through the packaging, but I don't even know what the scent was. I just bought it because it looked so cool. Gosh, all the luster on this is amazing. Yes, look at that. This is her newer mold. This is the Silly Rabbit Bath Bomb. Oh, it smells like Trick cereal. It smells amazing. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. And, oh, that was just a cassette tape. I'm like, look at another one. Let's see. Oop, I feel another one. We've got the Mrs. White Bath Bomb. I don't remember the scent on this, but it's really pretty and creepy. I love it. It smells really good. I don't quite know. It's kind of a fresh, clean scent, but not like overwhelmingly so. And oh, okay. So if you guys remember the movie Romeo and Juliet, this is one of the pills that Mercutio gives to Romeo, and he offers it up. And this is called the Young Hearts Run Free Bath Bomb. Of course, it's the song that plays. Young Hearts Run Free. Anyway, I'm not gonna sing for you, but yes, I'm so excited about this one. I don't want to use it. It smells good. I don't even know if there's anything else in here. I have no idea. That might be everything. Okay, I should probably put some of these aside because they're just like getting back in there. Yes, there is more. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. And then we have A Plague on Both Your Houses bath bomb gift set. Look at these. These are amazing. These are gorgeous. I love it. They're like little mini gingerbread houses. I love it. This one is so cool. Again, I don't know the scent. It smells great. I think that's it. Wait, nope. I feel something else. It's the same one I just pulled out. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here while I make a mess everywhere. Okay, so that was it. And what a lovely haul. I mean, oh, man. And of course, if you want to check out any of Jamie's stuff, I will link to her website below. She does have a points program. So you can get, oh, I almost dropped that. No. You can get, of course, points with her. You just have to sign up for it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to use. Do you see the amount of glitter in here? Like, I mean, it's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And as always, Funk says out.